and this week's video is on Irma. Let me just tell you, Irma has been horrible to everyone that has been in the path of her. I just want to say, make sure you guys love each other every day because you don't know what to expect the next day. Alright guys, we are just getting on the road right now. We're heading home from doing some errands. I-75, and it is pretty backed up all the way down there. You guys, like all
this
the way
is
down
basically
there.
the only route out of Florida.
And we're not even evacuating. Just everyone else is, I'm guessing. Or they're trying to get home to their house.
My hands on myself. Pick out dust them off, put them back up on the shelf. Kiss my little baby girl is in need. Am I coming out of left field? Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kicks. I've been feeling it since 1966.
So this is the way someone boarded up their house. Obviously they put wood planks instead of hurricane shutters, and it actually works pretty well. Another person decided to put some tape on those ones. Okay, looking at this photo, someone decided to put a table against the window so nothing cracks. That's crazy. Can we just take a look at this right now? These people are super smart and prepared.
Who lives in a pineapple under the sea?
I don't know if you guys can tell, but this is before the storm. And look at that, it looks a little green. And they're going by super fast. But look at this over here. The sunset's pretty. Ooh, ooh. How pretty that is. Alright, this is before the storm right now. It is 2:48. And let's just listen. 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 It's a little bit of wind. Not a lot, but a little bit of wind happening right now. Look at this one, guys. If you can just hear it, this is what we're hearing right now with a little bit of rain. Oh my lord. One second.
Well, we're here at Irma, so our neighbors across the street apparently need some food, so we all stick together. This is called Chili Delivery.
Meals on Wheels.
Take one. Wish me luck. As you can tell, it's really starting to blow, so I think we'll be alright. We only lost one little tree over here. But, it's blowing that way. Alright.
I have come across this photo and I'm just thinking, what are you sleeping there? Alright guys, today it is 10:35. We're just coming outside right now to check it out. We got a little bit of some tree branches falling off, everything. Birds are looking nice. Still a little cloudy out. Generators are running and our power is out. Here's an update. We are going to go around and take a look at everything else. Alright guys, we are going through the neighborhood right now and all you can see is there's a lot of debris and trees down. Like this is just, look at all that stuff right there. Also, if you look in the distance, this person's house is like all taken apart. Look at that, that's horrible. Oh my gosh, Irma, what the hell? Alright, we are looking and look at this house over here is another house that's roof is down and all that crap. Wow. Alright, we got this tree that is down. Look at the tree. Just come right off. It snapped in half. Wow. We are over at our dock and look at what happened. Our dock is literally down in the water. Alright guys, look at this one. This whole thing is like shredded up into little pieces. Out. There is a tree that is like out. Like it's totally out. Like all the roots, everything. Wow, it's going to be hard to get out. We are just doing a drive-by and just checking out everyone else's place. And this is like probably the worst one ever right here. I'm gonna zoom in for you guys. Like it's like straight through it, and like the back of it, and like the windows broken, and this is the back of it. Let's see the back.
And here we are.
Wow. Now take a look, guys. The billboard is just tearing down. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed this video and realized that this is actually a really serious thing and a serious event that has been taken into multiple hands. Please do not take any offense to some of the funny clips in this video. I just added them in there because I thought it would be nice to add a little bit of humor in this video, even though it's a very serious video. I find it very devastating about this whole situation. And even if you have zero damage to your house or a little tiny bit, just be grateful, because there are people out there that have completely lost their house and now they have to restart everything and restart their lives, and it's really heartbreaking. Not really restart their lives, but I mean their house, they have to rebuild everything, and that's just really sad. Also, I want everyone to come together as a community, as a group, as whatever you want to be, to help the people that are in need of this, which are in need of like caring, love, support, everything like that. And we can show the world that we can be a better place in so many ways, for the future, of course, and for right now. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you guys like this up, subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you guys next week, and remember to stay Swizzlealicious.